Hello guys, welcome back to my cooking channel Husna's Kitchen, and today we're going to make the best and tasty Cakesicles. So sit back, relax and enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need ready-made chocolate cake, melted chocolate ganache, chocolate cream and silicone molds with some sticks. So on your bowl you're going to crush your cake. I'm going to use a half cake and I'm going to crush my cake. Make sure your cake is crushed well, as you can see in the video. And after that I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of chocolate cream and mix everything well together so that your cake can be sticky and easiest to make your cakesicles. I'm going to use my hands. Make sure your hands are clean to mix everything well. And after that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cream again, and I'm going to mix my cake and cream well. After that, when your cake is sticky as mine, as you can see in the video, you're going to need silicone molds with some stick, as you can see in the video, and you're going to apply 3 layers of chocolate. Make sure you apply on every part of the silicone molds. Make sure you add 1 tablespoon of chocolate and make sure each part of the silicone molds gets some chocolate. You don't have to miss any part or you're going to regret the results after this. So make sure you do the same as you can see in the video. And I'm going to apply my chocolate step after the step until I'm done. So after the first layer, I'm going to place my chocolate into the fridge for 2 minutes so that it can dry fast. So I'm just going to place it for 2 minutes only. So, and after 2 minutes my chocolate is dry, as you can see in the video. So I'm going to repeat the same by applying the second layer of the chocolate, and I'll make sure each part doesn't miss the chocolate, as you can see in the video. So after 2 minutes, when I'm done, I'm going to place it on the fridge or freezer again for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes again I'm going to place my sticks. As you can see in the video, there is a space that where your sticks gets in. Make sure you place it well so that you don't crack your chocolate. So after placing my sticks, I'm going to apply the third layer of the chocolate. Make sure every part gets the chocolate, as you can see in the video. I'm going to place on top of the sticks some chocolate, and I'm going to add only 1 tablespoon of chocolate. I'm going to repeat step by step until I'm done. So after applying the third layer, I'm going to place in the freezer again for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes I'm going to add the cake that I had crushed it earlier and place it on the silicone molds plus the chocolate. Make sure you don't add excess cake so that you don't want to regret the result. So just add some little cake so that you can get to apply the 4th layer of the chocolate. So I'm going to do the same until I'm done. So after placing the cake, I'm going to show you how it looks, and after that I'm going to add some chocolate on top of the cake. Make sure you fill in all the space and you don't miss any space of the cake or of the chocolate. I'm just going to add only 1 tablespoon of the chocolate, and make sure you apply it well. So when I'm done, I'm going to place my cakes in the freezer again for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes my cakesicles are ready. So I'm going to remove them onto the silicone and place it on the plate. Don't worry about the rough layer of the top, because you're going to cut the excess chocolate that comes out. Make sure you don't hold it on the top so that you don't get any fingerprint when you apply your chocolate. So my cakesicles are ready, so I'm going to take a knife by cutting the excess chocolate that it's on the cakesicles. Make sure you cut the excess cakesicle very careful so that you don't cut any part of the cake to get a fake result. As you can see, my cakesicles are smooth and they're looking good. So after removing the excess chocolate, I'm going to decorate my cakesicles with some chocolate and some gold sprinkles, as you can see in the video. Make sure when you apply your chocolate, don't let it dry, because you need to sprinkles on the top so that they can stick well, as you can see in the video. And my cakesicles are ready. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, and comment down below after you are done. You can follow me on my social media to ask me any questions that you want, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye guys.